Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke sangmah bakran syakilat bathai kubor mentaka sengi ke arpusan tarik nailur ahaja arpusau. Uloong beban penong ya kanu ke rally dan kamban yo shwa ya ke Jingbit na ki board district ne ki deputy commissioner. Habakali bakumno ka sarkar kan le halor ke jingtmu ya rally khang bam do masi ka wei ka kenhun haka ar tarik urisau. Menteri Rangba uloong karai kadai haka board ka DC lakan ai Jingbit na namar balapan khamti haka ban ai Jingbit. Uloong bakam day ka kam jong Menteri Rangba bantuklar halor kani Hynrei ka day ka kam jong ka board district. Shu uloong bawat ka seng NPP ru lada ka temu ban yai rally ka hap ban pan Jingbit shwa na ka DC bat kadan ka por baka board district kam ai Jingbit wat ya ka seng NPP ru ula ban rap. Menteri Rangba uloong bangi hakari ka balai luot hakaliang ka jingit kumta ya ka jingkwa jongki omla manu ban khang bat ka sarkar kamla bantuklar halor kadi.
Just to share with you, even the NPP, when we have to go over rally, I have to apply to DC. And sometimes DC doesn't give permission to even NPP to hold rallies. This decision is totally at the administrative level. It's not at Chief Minister's level. When Chief Minister also wants to hold a rally of my own party, I don't get permission sometimes from DC. I remember Mr. Sanjay Goyal is sitting here. He was SDO of Ampati. I don't remember the year. Sanjay ji, what year was this? 2008. And he didn't allow me to have a rally. And that's how things are. So, and I have nothing against that.
What is the stand of the government on the eating habits of people?
It's very, very clear. We are a secular nation. We are a secular state. There is no question of prohibiting anybody from doing anything in terms of their eating habits and their choices. I think there's no doubt about that. I think there's no aspect of, government denying any of that, allowing anybody to not practice their own eating habits or have their own eating habits. I think there's no question of government intervention in this, and we're very, very clear about this. But here your question was regarding permission. Is that permissions are given at the deputy commissioner level, and it is up to the deputy commissioner to decide and to give or not to give. And the deputy commissioner, based on different conditions, situations, and different issues, will or will not give permissions. As I said, even political parties, even chief minister to hold rallies has to take permission from the deputy commissioner. So we all follow the same process.
But the problem,
the last
because the DC is under the CM, the DC, the authorized it is the government.
Yeah.
What the minister going would allow on
ultimately yes, government is saying, but then everybody has this responsibility. I'm sorry to say this, but if chief minister has to be involved in even permissions, I don't know how chief minister will work on major issues like opening up the Shillong airport. And so everybody has a responsibility in the system. Deputy commissioner has a responsibility. Powers have been given to deputy commissioners. Powers have been given to SPs. Powers have been given to different commissioners, secretary and the bureaucrats and ministers. So everybody will do their own part and their role. So I think it's wrong to say that now everything will come on chief minister's table and then a chief minister will decide. No. It is a deputy commissioner's authority. The deputy commissioner has been powered. As I said, even chief minister, as a political party, if I have to go ahead and ask for permission, I have to apply to the deputy commissioner for it. So that's how the system works. That's how administration works. And that's why we have deputy commissioners in place. So it is a deputy commissioner's power and right to give the permission and not to give the